are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree DIY wall decor. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So what you will need for this project is roundwood decor, and you're gonna need 2 of these. You're gonna also need 2 craft woods, a hook, wood bead garland, metal drawer hole, wood dowels, paint, cardboard, your glue gun. Anything else, I'll just let you know. Let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. First things first, you're gonna get your the round wall decor. I'm gonna paint them. I painted already on this side and I painted on this side as well. The next thing we're gonna do is get a cardboard. I'm gonna take one of these circle wood, lay it on top of a cardboard. Just go ahead and copy that, just circle it around. You're gonna cut that out. This is gonna go underneath this, like so. I use this size cardboard, so you might want to get a thick cardboard. I'm gonna glue this on top of here. Put that aside for a minute, and we're gonna get our 2 woods. Now I already painted these 2 woods, and we're gonna combine it, glue it on together. Take one of our wood dowels. I paint mine's black. Go ahead and get a bead. Take these beads, and you're gonna get 4 beads. I'm gonna be gluing it down here. So let me show you exactly how we're gonna be putting it. We're gonna take our beads and we're gonna glue those together on each other. Okay, and then we're gonna be gluing it on the wood right here, about 1 inch in. And place these 2 right here. Glue that down. We're gonna take our dowel and we're gonna be gluing it down on top of these 2. Should not look like that. We're gonna be laying this on top of here, 5.5 inch going down. You're gonna lay your wood on top of there. Mark this off and just mark that spot that is laying on, both top and bottom. You mark it. You have your mark, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be putting screws inside of here, the center of the mark that we put, the little square. We're gonna put 2 screws in there. Only reason why I did that is to mark back here where our screw is going to go into. We're going to be gluing this onto here. Don't glue on top of the hose. And place that down. Once it's dry, we're going to go ahead and put our screws in here. It's already glued down, but if you're going to put anything heavy on this is just to secure it. That is secure, that's not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and use our metal drawer pull, and we're gonna be placing it here, about 3 inch down. I'm gonna place this, okay? And then we're gonna do the same thing that we did for up here. We're gonna mark this spot. These 2 screws already come with this, and you're gonna do the same steps that you did for this, you're gonna do for that too. You're gonna put the hole. Repeat the same process that you did for this as well. And that, make sure you can see it in the back. That's going to be so helpful when we put this stuff in there. And so go ahead and do that, and then we get to the next step. We're going to have to get smaller screws. That's what I suggest you do. Get some smaller screws. These are way too big. I end up using those because the Dollar Tree one was way too big. So if you have any screws around, it don't even have to be look like that. I just use one of these. Okay, so let's continue our project because that's not going to stop us. Screw that in there. And you know what? It worked. All right, that was a little hiccup there, but we back on track now. All right, let's go ahead and get to our next step, which is going to be the other hooks. Now we got to deal with some more hooks. And they come with screws as well, but these look like a good size screws, not as big as the other ones. So you want the little ones, so that's the perfect size. Find your position that you want your hook in, and then once again we just keep marking those position. You can just put one screw in there. You don't need all 4 of them. It's up to you. They come with 4 at the top part here. Just one screw, because that's all you need. You don't need all 4 of them. And this is how it looks so far. Let's go ahead and glue our bottom piece over this. That's why I want to cover this part up, you know. So let's get our other wood decor on top of here like this. Let's go ahead and glue that onto there. And afterwards, we're gonna cover this up with some tape to make it look a little decent, you know. So I don't like the way that looks at all. Looks unprofessional. You have to make it look better. Let's go ahead and glue that on there. Dollar Tree, you can get some caulk and then cover the holes with this too. Let's go ahead and fix these sides here. So I'm thinking about putting electrical tape maybe around it, since it's the bottom, and we're going to start from the bottom, going all the way around and come back down. What I'm going to do is, the tape is bigger than the thing and I don't want to overlay in the front. I don't want it to go over where you can see it. So we're going to lay it right here like that. Starting right here, I'm going to glue this down here. The first one I'm going to glue down, and then we're going to start right there, and then we're going to go all the way around. See, I don't care about the back because we can lay that on the back and everything, glue that stuff down on the back. But the front, I don't want it to show at all, so we're going to just do it like that. Start it off right here. Okay. And then we're going to work our way down, and cover that. I had to paint these screws black. I just want everything to match. And then I cover those holes with some caulk. It looks way better. This is how it looks. The back when I put it on, put it all the way around tape. And I put a hook back here to mount it up. So, and that looks beautiful. And we are finished. This looks beautiful. I'm looking forward to using this. So I'm gonna mount this up on the wall and put some decorations, and then I can show you guys the results. Here's the results of how it looks. So I hang, of course, my keys here, glasses, and then I put umbrella and my purse. Put this beautiful little plants from Five Below and a picture frame that I got from Dollar Tree. You can add more things to it too. This is my husband's wall. You can put whatever you want. Thank you all so much for watching. Give the thumbs up, like, comment, share, and those that have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now so you can see more beautiful DIY projects every Tuesday. Bye, my YouTubers.